Namaste, myself Malini, consultant cardiorespiratory physiotherapist in mobility physiotherapy and rehabilitation, Midnapur. Today is World Physiotherapy Day. 8 September every year is celebrated as World Physiotherapy Day by the physiotherapists and the patients benefited by them all over the world. This year, the theme for World Physiotherapy Day celebration is rehabilitation after COVID 19.
Rehabilitation after COVID 19. Physiotherapists are crucial in early and ongoing rehabilitation for people recovering from severe COVID 19. Up to 10% of people recovering from COVID 19 may develop post viral fatigue syndrome. If you feel you are not improving or if activity is making you feel much worse, speak to your physiotherapist or healthcare practitioner and ask them to assess you for post viral fatigue syndrome. The rehabilitation of people with this syndrome requires different management strategies. A physiotherapist will be able to guide you through your road to recovery from COVID 19. They will work as part of a multi professional team to support your needs. Exercise is an important part of your recovery from COVID 19. A physiotherapist will be able to guide you in how exercise can help. Your recovery after severe illness with COVID 19. People who have had severe cases of COVID 19 will need rehabilitation to recover from the effects of ventilation or oxygen support, prolonged immobilization, and bed rest. They may be suffering from impaired lung function, severe muscle weakness, joint stiffness, fatigue, limited mobility and ability to do daily tasks, delirium and other cognitive impairments, difficulty swallowing and communicating, mental health disorders, and psychosocial support needs. Physiotherapy can play an important role in the rehabilitation of people who have been severely ill with COVID 19 in a hospital or other setting. These people are at risk of encountering severe limitations in physical, emotional, cognitive, or social functioning. Physiotherapists are crucial in early and ongoing rehabilitation for people recovering from severe COVID 19. They can help with early mobilization and getting moving again, simple exercises, getting back to the activities of daily living, lung recovery, managing breathlessness, coping with fatigue, finding the balance between being active and taking rest. It takes time to recover from a severe illness. A physiotherapist will be able to guide you through the process and prioritize the goals that are important to you. They will work as part of multi professional teams to support your needs. A physiotherapist can help you with your ability to exercise, to incorporate physical activity, and your return to daily life. Now, let us know how an exercise plan from a physiotherapist can help your COVID 19 recovery. Exercise is an important part of your recovery from COVID 19, paced to match your needs. As experts in movement and exercise, physiotherapists can guide you in how exercise can help improve fitness, reduce breathlessness, increase muscle strength, improve balance and coordination, improve your thinking, reduce stress and improve mood, increase confidence, improve energy. Try to be as active as you can to help you regain strength and help your lungs recover. And remember to keep track of your progress. Although it is important to rest, physiotherapists recommend that you undertake regular short bursts of exercise rather than fewer longer sessions. Exercises to try are sit to stand, marching on the spot, step ups or stairs, walking, heel raises, toe raises, one leg stand, wall push off. Physiotherapy is key to your recovery from COVID 19. If you feel unwell, experience extreme fatigue, or severe shortness of breath, stop exercising and speak to your physiotherapist.
On behalf of Mobility Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Clinic, Midnapur, wish you all a happy World Physiotherapy Day. And remember, physiotherapy is the key to recovery after COVID 19.